In this video you see, step by step, how to form an LLC in New York yourself, directly on the official state portal. The state filing fee is $200, and the whole process takes about 25 minutes. No formation service required. New York files through Business Express, and you need a newyork.gov account before you can start. The application opens on the name. Type the name you want, including the ending, and note that this screen has its own Check Name button. New York will tell you straight away whether the name can be used, which is better than most states, where you find out after you have paid. Filing costs $200. A green bar, this name is accepted, and you can carry on. Be clear about what that does and does not mean. It means no existing company is using the name today. It does not hold the name for you, and it is not final approval. If you want it held while you get your papers together, New York sells a name reservation for $20, and a simple availability check on its own is $5. Now the single most expensive choice in this whole application, and it does not look like one. You pick the county where your LLC has its office. That county decides which newspapers you must later publish in, and the county clerk picks them, not you. Publishing in Manhattan, which is New York County, is famously expensive. Publishing upstate can cost a small fraction of that. If your business genuinely has a choice of address, this is the moment it matters. This screen is different from every other state in this series. In New York, the Secretary of State is automatically the agent for service of process. You do not appoint anyone, and you cannot opt out. What you choose is only the postal address the state forwards those legal papers to, so make it an address you will actually read for years. Underneath there is an optional registered agent statement. It is genuinely optional, and if you use an agent service, this is where you name it. A short screen of statements that are not required by statute. Most new companies leave every one of them alone. They exist for filings that need extra provisions, and adding language you do not understand only gives an examiner more to reject. If your company is ordinary, read them once and move on. The first of two attestations. The organizer is the person forming the company, which is usually you, and here you give a name, an address, and a signature. New York asks you to sign twice in this application, in two different capacities, and this is the first. Read what you are signing rather than typing through it, because from here your name is attached to the filing. The second attestation, this time as the filer, the person actually submitting the document. It asks for your name, address, and email, and the email matters because that is where the state sends the receipt and any problem with your filing. If you are forming the company yourself, both attestations are you, and that is perfectly normal. This walkthrough stops on the summary. The page looks empty here because it renders your completed articles into a document viewer below, and that document is simply the filing you have just built, so there is nothing new to see, only something to check. Read it properly. After this come additional services, then payment of $200, and then New York accepts your company in about 7 business days. And now the part that catches almost everyone, so hear it before you start rather than after. Filing does not finish the job. Within 120 days you must publish a notice in 2 newspapers in the county you chose earlier, once a week for 6 consecutive weeks. You do not pick the newspapers, the county clerk does, and one must be a daily and the other a weekly. Then you file a certificate of publication for $50. In the New York City counties that publication can cost more than $1,000, several times the filing fee itself, and an LLC that skips it can have its authority to do business suspended. Budget for it now. After that, the only thing New York wants is a biennial statement every 2 years for $9. Everything else you need is free at FreeLLC.us. That was the complete filing. New York does not ask for an annual report. It asks for a biennial statement, once every 2 years, and the fee is $9. For an LLC it exists to keep one thing current, the address the Secretary of State mails legal process to, which matters because the state is your agent whether you like it or not. $9 every 2 years is the cheapest ongoing obligation in this whole series. For free templates, your operating agreement, EIN guidance, and optional services, visit freellc.us. The link is in the description.